Wait lang guys, hindi ko makita. Are starting to attend school again. Have you watched Stranger Things? Guys, not yet. Hold up. Thank you for the gift, man. Nasaan na? How about Inigo and Lala? What do you mean, guys? What do you mean by them? Play so sick. Bro, I don't know that, guys. What's they play ML? Yes. You speak Swiss? Nope, I can't. How old are you, Fred? I'm 18. Tingin mo, he crushed the Heath Cup. Guys, di ko talaga alam. Like, genuinely, I don't know if Heath likes her, cause like, he doesn't tell me anything. Like, I'm his big bro, he should tell me that. Diba? Anong chores lagi mo ginagawa? I mean, guys, I mop the floor, I clean the boys' bedroom from time to time. And I wash dishes in the morning. Kasi like every night, may natitira talagang dishes for like till the morning. So, may chemistry po ba this girl? Yes, guys, of course. Kwento ng hair tie. Okay, ito. Simulan ko. So, it all started, guys, is nung binigyan niya ako ng hair tie nung... Binigyan niya to sa akin nung... wait lang, guys. Tawag doon. Nagsimula siya nung ano. She gave me her hair tie nung punishment week namin. I think it was our first day sa... no, it was our second day. It was the second day. Oh yeah. Nagtipon-tipon kami yun sa living room and Kuya was announcing everything that it was gonna be a long day for us, like the whole day talaga. And after namin magtipon-tipon, guys, she went up to me and suddenly reached for my hand and suddenly my hair tie. Then she hugged me and said, "Good luck. I'm gonna do great daw sa task." And I did. I scooped up 12 ping pong balls, passed it to the other side. But what else? Actually, yo guys, mag 1M likes, crazy. Guys, thank you so much. Tanter, guys, si Kuya Tan tsaka si Ate Heather, guys. Spam nyo nga yan. Can you guys spam Tanter? Tanter. What is your height? I'm like 6'3", 6'2 and a half. Wait pong ganda. Smiling Angels. Yo, what's up, guys? Sam Jane Karaoke ngayon. I don't know, guys. Tanter. Yo guys, happy 1 million, guys. Thank you so much. Favorite UAP team? Guys, come on, guys. Of course, it's Lasal. Loyal tayo. UAP. Guys, gulat ako paglabas ko. Nag-champion pala yung Lasal. Grabe. Ano height ni Heath? I think it's like 5'10", 5'11". God!
Si Janice yung nagagawa.
Bitan!
Oh.
Ba't wala ka kanina?
Wala may work ako eh. Kahit ako na may mga fans mo sa baba ng condo eh.
Grabe guys. Si Ate Heather, sali nyo.
Hi daw kay Heather. Yung gitara ko dyan, oh.
Yes, sir. Where did you learn? I don't know. Doon taas yata namin ng live show. Personality.
Nasaan ba yung isa daw? Patuloy nyo na yung isa din. Yung na-mention nila.
Ano naman ang water?
Tulog ka na, friend.
Wala, alauna pa ako bukas. You know, 4,000, 1.3 million likes, guys. Anong group formation pinaka gusto mo? Yung duo, syempre. Tsaka yung Smiling Angels. Matik. Ilang kwitan, mamaya ka na kwitan. Kwitan, mamaya ka na kwitan. Nakamute ka pa. Isasali si Ate Heather. Wala naman si Ate Heather.